Good morning, my people. I am 23. Yo, look where we at. We getting coffee. We out here celebrating my birthday with the boys. You already know. Look at my fit. Hold up. Give me a moment. About to show you my fit. Give me a second. What's up? How you like my fit? Look at that. Look at that. What y'all think? How look? But yeah, guys. Oh, day two. It's been okay, you know. I want to say it could be better, but now it's been great. Every little part. I feel like we're living LA.
Yeah.
We're
at a tiny coffee shop.
My guy has a camera. My guy right here, you know.
Looks like a street skater.
Flag. Show them the flag. Yo.
Oh, this song feels really good.
Yeah. Shut your ass up, bro. You know, I'm on the Funko shop. I got you right now. Funko shop. I want to go talk to some people. Like, hey, where you from? No flirting shit.
There's no Funko shop.
Yeah.
You trying to flirt?
No, I'm not trying to flirt. I'm loyal, bro.
Nah,
but you know,
we're in LA. He's a
we keeping that in the vlog.
In prison.
We keep exposing. He meant it as a joke.
You put that in the vlog, you're gonna get your ass beat.
Who's gonna get his ass beat? Not me.
You're gonna get your ass beat.
Not me.
Girl.
What? Who said it though? Who watches my vlogs?
Yeah,
His girl.
No, she doesn't. I'm gonna tell her not to watch.
He got exposed.
I forgot to use sunscreen.
How he goes? Yo, wait. Don't expose. You talk to any girls yet?
Here?
Yeah.
No, I matched with like a few. And then I sent them messages. I respond.
Wait, nah, but yeah, I want to talk to some strangers.
Yeah.
Like, hey, what's up? You know, I just came from Mexico.
Meet friends.
Moving here. Yeah.
Why do you say that? Why would you say that?
Because if they say like, New York, then they're gonna ask a question like blah blah blah.
That's how you start conversation.
But I'll say from Mexico, it sounds more cooler. They're like, oh, you moved from Mexico to here, and they're like, they wouldn't expect, you know, the raza coming here. They'll be like, are you like a gardener? No.
Right. They're gonna be like, wow, you're so westernized.
Yeah.
You talk so well.
Yeah. Pues claro. I'll be like that.
How long have you been learning English for?
I've been learning it for a couple of years now. I would say like 4 years. You know.
Yeah. Only 4 years you spoke
Yeah,
English?
you know, during high school, I entered and I took English class.
School? What?
Yeah, it's crazy. You know, most people don't know education pretty well. It's good, I guess. Sorry, you know, English is my second language, as you can tell.
Such a dick.
Bro, I'm so serious. We have to. I'm already vlogging. What else am I be afraid of? The bomb's taking away my phone. See you guys later.
I think we should start right here.
I guess y'all know where we at. Where we at?
I'm tired.
Where we at?
We in Goodwill, bruh.
You already know.
Like bright ass colors were like working like yellow.
I'm scared to be touching all this.
You know, these are the clothes that you see on TikTok and them buying and reselling. And you buy it because it's from LA. Yet, little you know, it's from here.
Is that, what is it called?
They're followers. What's that shirt?
I don't know.
Kobe? Oh, the life of Kappa.
I don't know. Cap.
Yo, imagine they have a shirt, the life of Julio.
You know what this is? The life of Julio.
What's up, guys? So we tried to go to Funko, and it was closed. And now we don't even know where to go. We got Taco Bell. Maybe we'll do a little Taco Bell mukbang. What you think?
Nah, I'm good.
We didn't get enough food.
We didn't get no food. We'll do some quick questions and then we'll end it up. Let's see. Oh. But yeah, guys.
What?
There's nothing. It's like
There's nothing around here.
there's nothing around here, yo.
This area specifically.
Like Cali is dead right now, guys. Cali is like super dead, but hopefully, you know, it gets better. Thought my Cali adventure was gonna get pretty lit. Day 2, not looking so it.
Alright, you can start now. I started.
Yo, what's up, guys? Look what I got, Taco Bell. This is actually my first time eating Taco Bell. Never really tried it. Kind of like, you know, against that. Most people love this shit, but I don't. But let's see how it is. Look at the hot sauce.
What kind of sauce you put in?
Fire.
Fire sauce?
Fire. Is it like really spicy?
No.
Nothing great, bro. Guys, I really don't know why you love this. This is okay. Nothing special. Question for you guys of the day. Would y'all get your ass eaten? I'm curious about that. Would y'all get your ass eaten?
How do you go from taco to food?
I'm just curious.
Getting your ass eaten.
I'm like, they don't want to see me talk all the time, but I'm curious. Would you get your ass eaten? Me?
Would you?
I don't think so. But I'd be curious. Because some people say they like it. What about you, cameraman?
No.
Why not?
But still, it's an exit only. Nothing's.
Alright, guys, yeah. So, like, let me know. Put in the comments. Would y'all get your ass eaten? Yes, no, maybe. Maybe once in a lifetime. Who knows? A little lick right there. For the guys, no female shit, alright? Guys, would y'all get your ass eaten? Alright. See y'all next time. This was okay. And see y'all later today. Peace.
You didn't even try to quesadilla.
So we just finished eating, guys.
It was like an hour ago.
We're like so entertained right now watching my guy right here on Tinder. Trying to get matches,
Come on.
Yeah, let's see what you get. Open sesame. Let's see. Ooh.
Yeah, I think he's gonna get somewhere.
I don't know. Ooh.
What is this?
He's still swiping. He needs one. He needs one.
Come on,
He
come
needs
on.
one. Come on, let's go.
Nah, I'm only mad thirsty. Okay.
When you see us,
And Us.
Yeah.
Movie Us.
We're like in the quietest metro ever in LA.
Like, it's too quiet.
It's too quiet. We're like, we might, like, someone's gonna come and they could chase us and we'll be scared.
They're just like that.
Oh, why would you do that? Why would you do that?
There's like no workers, no like.
Yo, hold up. Look at these trains. Look, guys, this is a metro card for the trains.
I like this.
Right? So cool.
To Union.
It's too early.
Sorry, like, what do you think I'm doing?
We in here.
It's so weird.
They look dirty, bro. We out here entering the train first time. Bro, I almost tripped in here.
I don't understand.
I really almost tripped in here. Oh no. Yo, the stations here is nice. It's different. What do you think about this?
This is crazy. It's so nice.
Nice. Oh, NYC language. Word.
That ass.
That ass.
That ass?
That ass.
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 Fuck. Ah!
Where are all the people at?
Hey, what's up, guys? Back here again. You already know J Style. Stop being like that, bro. Yo, bro, that ass. This
That
is
ass.
like this scary here.
Yo, this is like some get out shit.
So you serious? No one told me. No one ever played like that. Like, yo, bro, let me suck on your titty.
They never said let me suck on your titties. Like what?
Like, bro,
That was only you, bro.
In
That was
college.
just
In college, I didn't have gay bars. I just
had
had.
the same cause. I didn't have friends.
Well, I
That's
had
okay,
friends.
Julio.
Then who the hell would I say? Yo, bro, let me suck on your tits.
Your imaginary fucking friend, crazy.
Yeah, that's the one that I would say gay bar.
You said gay bars too.
What would
All
be?
day.
What would you spit in your gay bars? Because I can't think of a thing. What would your phrase be?
I don't know. Putting me on the spot. Can't put me on the spot.
Yo, I'm here thinking
Wait,
like a scenario.
I'm thinking
I'm here
so
thinking of
hard.
a scenario, but I just thought of a scene. I'm like, when I would be with my friend, I'm like, yo, bro, he'll be on the escalator. I'm like, yo, bro, that ass, you better go up them stairs faster before I grab them cheeks.
Oh,
You had those moments for sure, right?
double cheeked up on a Saturday night. On a Tuesday night.
This is what you thought so hard of?
No, that's just a phrase.
Oh.
Yeah. Why is he still pointing at me like you?
I'm here waiting. You're saying you're
Past
thinking.
this. No,
You're
I'm not
thinking.
thinking anymore. Sit.
You got anything?
You think of one.
I'm trying
has a
hard.
good one. Anthony has a good one.
Yeah, what's a good one?
He has like he has a go-to that's so good.
Go, what is it?
Yeah, do it.
Good. What is it? You were saying it. What was it?
I was saying it.
Mm-hmm.
I never done gay bars. That's a guy. I'm from Brooklyn.
From Brooklyn. What? You're from Brooklyn? What the fuck?
I don't know what that is.
Yeah, a different girl. Yeah, dude.
Where?
Yeah, had going. This is the end of this guy.
Yeah. Looks like the last piece of evidence is Julio's vlog.
And it's about and then
it's
when I
about-
say
it's about
and when
gay
I
bars.
said gay bars and
Oh my
sing,
gosh.
bro, let me suck on your titty.
They're gonna think like, oh, they were on fucking drugs or some shit. They weren't speaking for like 30 seconds. I love my family.
Sometimes Anthony gives me a hug, but all I want is a kiss.
Yeah, whatever.
So guys,
I would.
I ordered hot spicy buffalo. So far enjoying day one of my 23rd birthday.
Oh, you're coming.
Day one of your 23rd is the only. It's
the only day one of my 23rd, right?
Yeah.
I'm an old man, man. My brain's not working that well. Thank you. This is good. See what else I got.
No wonder why they have
Peace.
to do this separate one.
Alright, guys. We're here. Join the night.
Yo.
City Hall. Great time.
Pasadena?
Great night.
What is it? Pasadena?
Pasadena. What a day. What a day.
Right.
What a night. Big 2-3 at City Hall.
Yeah, actually go on. If it's New York, they wouldn't let you. They'd be like,
Sir, you cannot come in, sir, please. Acá no, allá sí.
CC.
So come on.
Whose Jorge is this?
Can someone please escort Jorge?
Someone get this Jorge out. Roy, we should have shot here.
Yo, look at this place.
Yeah.
Look at this, guys.
This is creepy, dog. This would be great for like a short film.
This is where I would come to the guitar. Right there in the middle.
Yo, definitely want to take some. Why it's gonna be in like they're gonna be like up there or something. Yo, I'm getting weird vibes. I got the chills.
It could be haunted.
Meanwhile, I'm over here smiling my ass off.
Yo, where'd I get?
Yo, I'm gonna deck you, bro. I swear to, I was thinking of doing the same thing to you in the fountain.
Alright, so with that, guys, we'll end the vlog. Thank you. Subscribe and watch out for 2 more of the vlog because that would be fun. Bloop, bloop, bloop. California love. Good night, guys. See ya. And thank you for everyone watching and subscribing and liking. You are the best. Good night.